This is another example of a decorative Chinese knot. It's called a Chinese lanyard knot. It's fairly simple to tie. Start with a long piece of string and double it, just as I have with this one. Place the bight at the top in front of you. Now, all we're going to do is tie a series of granny knots. Start by bringing the left line over top the right line, back under and through. Next, we're going to tie a slightly smaller granny. Left line over the right, back under and through. Now we're going to tie a slightly larger granny. Again, left line over the right, under and through. And finally, we're going to tie one more small granny, about the size of the one up here. Left over right, under and through. If you remember left over right all 4 times, this is an easy knot to tie. Our next step is to take the small granny and simply flip it up into the big center granny. Next, we're going to take both of these and flip them into the center. Now you'll notice in the bottom granny there's a space between the 2 lines, top and bottom. We want to feed this upper loop through both at top and at bottom. Now take your left line that is loose and we're going to feed it through the upper granny, through here and through here, just like we did with the bottom granny. Now we need to flip the knot over. Do this fairly carefully. And you'll notice that this line is underneath this line here. We want to pull that out so that it's in the center. And then we're going to do the same thing with this line that we did with this line. Simply go through the granny, top and bottom. Believe it or not, that's your lanyard knot. It now needs to be tightened. Gently pull, and you can see the center coming together. Now it's just a matter of slowly picking one line at a time, pulling it through, and tightening it up. This takes a little bit of patience. You want to make sure you're pulling so the knot is tightening. Simply continue to work at it until your knot looks like this. Once you've finished your knot, you can use it for a keychain or to hold a knife. The way to do this is simply take the eye, put it through your key ring, open the eye up, and bring your keys through. Pull tight, and you have a decorative keychain.